Hi, everyone. Laura Winnie here with your 2-Minute Tuesday from DuPage County Animal Services. Are you wondering what to get your pet this holiday season? You can make a snuffle ball with stuff you have at home. Let's check it out. First, you'll need a good ball for your base. We like the JW Holy Roller Puzzle Ball because it has nice big openings and is pretty squishable. Next, you'll need to cut strips of fabric. Fleece is a great option, but you can also use old towels or t-shirts. Cut each strip just a little wider than the bar. Choose any length you want. For this medium-sized ball, I'm doing 7-inch long strips. Finally, tie one strip to each bar around the ball. You're done! Now, stuff treats between the pieces of fabric and let your pet have a ball. And the best part about making toys for your pets is they don't care if it looks less than perfect. They care that it's full of love and treats. For more DIY enrichment ideas, check out our full webinar. Click the link above to watch. Bye for now. Thanks.